Have you missed Bitcoin? Well, I sure have. In the last week, Bitcoin retraced by 4%. Its dominance is hovering around 60%. We are again in a kind of consolidating phase with Bitcoin. This is the price change of Bitcoin in the last 7 days. Let's take a quick glance today on the top coins. Let's see what color is prevailing. Hint red. And let's make an update on one of our previous videos where we made a technical analysis on the weekly chart of Bitcoin when we showed the golden resistance for Bitcoin. That one is now broken. If that interests you, roar with me. I lie to you. We are not red, but we are not neither green. We are somewhere in the middle, the twilight zone. Nothing is happening much. But if I were you, I would take a look at Chainlink's price change. 6.66%. Boo! Chainlink is hovering around $15 and is the only one with the biggest price change in the top 10. But let's make things interesting and head to our technical analysis of Bitcoin versus USD on the weekly chart. On one of our previous videos, we talk about the golden resistance that Bitcoin is facing. That resistance lied around 10k. Let's pull our own friend Mr. Fibonacci to show us what are we talking about. Something like this. We just pull a retracement from the high of 2017 to the low of 2018, and this is the result. In the video I'm talking about, we stated the significance of 10k level. This is the line just below 10k, 9,800, something like that. And this is the resistance that was holding us back for a very long time. Now, as you can see, the resistance is broken, and we already updated you in our previous videos. But what is that telling us regarding future movements of Bitcoin and price action? First, let's make support and resistance lines based on the golden pocket zones. We already drew 38.2. Let's do 50% and finally a 61.8%. This is the levels that Fibonacci gave us. Its pocket zones from this move of 2017 to 2018. So we can now remove the Fibonacci and see the clearer picture. As you can see, we gained very important support and resistance lines that made a significant role in the price action of Bitcoin. First of all, the line that we were talking about in our previous videos that was holding us back. Not only did made us resistance in 2018, but in 2019, in 2020, and once again, a few months back, a huge resistance for a couple of weeks. But nothing lasts forever, and we broke those resistance to the upside. What we are facing now is another resistance at 50% retracement. Let's follow the line and see the significance. Resistance is 2018. Resistance at the peak of the 2017 bull run. Not once, but 2 times. Followed the bodies, not the wicks of the candles. This time it made a significant role. And what do you know? At our latest developments, we are finding it resistance again. So by the probability, what are possible moves and most probable ones? The things look pretty simple in my opinion. Check it out. a bounce back to test the 2020 resistance. The test of $10,000 is something that not only is probable, but very needed for an uptrend for the health of Bitcoin. After that retracement, a breakout could came. And where we came, at the zone of around 13,800, let's make it 14K, where we could again be facing resistance, but we made a significant progress. It made the support at the 2017 bubble, and it made, as you already know, a big resistance at last year's bull run. So by the probability, let's expect the same thing. So Bitcoin is kinda bounded by the golden areas, this golden bucket that the Bitcoin is moving now. When we broke out of this golden resistance zones and support, we will talk about future developing, but for now, let's keep it this way and focus our attention to these levels. Make it simple, but make it powerful, because after that move, only one level is stopping us. The level below $20,000, our all-time high. And by the probability, my expectations looks something like this. All-time highs tested, well, probable around the beginning of next year. But that is a topic for another time. So what do you think about this idea? Is it aligned with your projection of future price developing, or what? Let me know in the comments, do you like the video? If you do, smash a like. And for future updates about the price development of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, subscribe to my channel. Let's make a powerful community that is following us on the journey to all-time highs. Until the next video, the Cryptosaurus is roaring with you.